Gates open, they're up and racing. Charming Santi in his favorite position as the pace setter. Then moving up by the rail, Shanana. In between runners comes 1A, and that's Pritil. Moving up on the outside is entry number 7, High Money. Running by the rail is 2A, and that's Gandang Pinay as they round at a 3/4 mile distance. Charming Santi by about 4 lengths, then followed now by Pretil, racing in third, High Money, running by the rail, Sulong Pinoy, moving up on the outside, Prince Isaiah, Shanana comes next, then in between runners, moving up is Gandang Pinay, second last Fargo, and a long way back to Heran as they head towards the last 600. Charming Santi by about 2 lengths. Pritil getting closer in second. Prince Isaiah also closing in as they race towards the last 450. Charming Santi, Prince Isaiah moving up by the rail. Pritil is on the outside as they race to the final corner. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Pritil, Charming Santi in between runners, Prince Isaiah by the rail with 200 to go. Pritil on the outside, Charming Santi is in between runners, Prince Isaiah. Now we can concentrate on these two. Pritil now doing the better over Charming Santi. And finally, race number 6 belongs to Pritil of Mr. Hermes Guerra second. Charming Santi, then comes number 10, Prince Isaiah, High Money, and Gandang Pinay, Sulong Pinoy.